And then finally I realized it's Yosemite, not US Meet Day. Hi guys, it's currently 12 in the morning. I didn't really know what to do. I'm not tired. My room is, it's like messy, but it's like not that messy. Well, I mean, it's messy. My parents are asleep. I don't want to be too loud, but literally like before I even pressed the record button, I dropped my flashlight. I know that a subscriber actually commented saying that they wanted to see me do a clean with me video, and I really thought it was a great idea to do that since my room it's been cooking up for a while. Most of the stuff actually is clean laundry, believe it or not. I should stop talking and get started.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's to say.
Morning. Oops.
Alright, so it's 2 o'clock right now. It's been a couple hours. I just finished Japanese class and I'm eating some pot stickers and also my coffee and some Capri Sun. I don't know if it's kind of gross that I drink coffee throughout the day but not like right away in the morning. I don't know. Some people think it's gross, some people think it's fine. I am just watching vlogs. I really like It's Yuyan. Her vlogs are so fun to watch. Besides that, I did some accounting homework. This morning was pretty productive, but honestly like these past 2 to 3 days I've been so unproductive. I literally just been laying in bed and playing Animal Crossing non-stop, so I really need to get my shit together. I have 2 exams coming up, one for accounting and one for business law, and I am not ready for it at all. I actually don't know the lyrics, but let's just pretend I do. I have officially hit a slump. I don't know why. I am the type of person who procrastinates to the very last second to get something done. I've always been like that. Between 2 to maybe even like 7, I just don't do anything. I feel like I am the most unproductive during that time, especially during quarantine. Oh my gosh, this is so hard for me because when I had class during the daytime, during the time I can't really go back home because then it takes me 20 minutes, and by the time I get home I would have to go back out anyways to start class again. So I would usually just sit in UNDERGRAD, which is the library at UW, and just, you know, kind of study or just do something productive better than just staying at home and napping. So this is just like one of the hardest things for me during quarantine. Does anyone else relate to me? Because I feel like whenever I'm watching like YouTubers vlogs and other people going on about their lives, they're always so productive, and like I totally understand that it's because they're only showing when they're at their best, but I don't know, sometimes it's just hard to like remember that. I kind of got deep. I'm kind of awkward now, so I'm just gonna cut the cameras.
Alright, you guys, so we're gonna start out with your 100s. You're gonna go ahead and sit up and slowly roll down with control.
just poked my eye. I slept through my Japanese class today. Oh crap, the battery's low. I don't have class till 5:30 later on, but I thought I'd just put on some makeup and changed into something nicer than sweatpants. So I just decided to put on these pants from Brandy and then this little pullover that I cropped and I got from Goodwill. If you haven't seen my thrift flip, go ahead and so I actually have a box of things that I got over the last 2 to 3 months, and I thought why not just give a little haul of what I've been collecting. First being swimsuits. Before even quarantine happened, I was already really excited for summer to come along, and Abercrombie & Finch had a mini sale. I mean, I feel like they're always having a sale, but like this one was a certain percentage off of bikinis. So I got this really cute bikini set. The bottom looks like this. It's like high-waisted and it has this little, not a belt, but like this plastic thing that makes it look like a belt. And then the top is adorable. It's just like this little one strap. And I actually went to Hollister after that and got their swimsuits because they had a similar sale. And this one's just a red strappy one. It has this little thingy at the bottom. I don't really know what it's called. The straps are adjustable on this, which is amazing. And then I also got the bottoms, which is just like this little drawstring. The rest is actually like pretty much comfy clothes. So I went to White Fox and I got this super cute set. So the sweatpants look like this. It has like a bunch of numbers. I don't even know what these numbers mean. So this is the back of the leg, but it also says White Fox and also White Fox again on like the labels of it. And then the matching top for it is just says White Fox module, and then the back has like this cool spray paint effect again that says White Fox and a little label in the back. And then after White Fox, I got some things from Brandy. I got this hoodie that says Yosemite on it. This is kind of embarrassing, honestly. I didn't know Yosemite was pronounced Yosemite. For the longest time, I thought it was pronounced Yosemite. My friend Bryce actually, we were talking like, I think it was spring break of last year. Oh my gosh, time flies. But it was for spring break, and then he said he was going to Yosemite, and I was like, what is Yosemite? And then he was like, you know, it's that place where it's in Nevada and it's kind of like the Grand Canyon area. It just took me a while because I was like, I don't know what he's talking about. And then finally I realized it's Yosemite, not Yosemite. So I saw this on Brandy and I just laughed because it just brought back so many fun memories. Yeah, so I got this light blue hoodie from there. And then I also got their sweatpants, the same color, because I thought then maybe I could just make it as like a little set. But I actually got these sweatpants off on Depop because they didn't have the color online at the time and I really wanted it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but like on Depop, literally everyone prices their Brandy stuff so much more expensive than it already was. Luckily I found a Depop user who actually charged a good price for this. Yeah, she shipped it really nicely. I'll go ahead and link her Depop down below. I'll also link all the other stuff that I got down below as well. I also got a little bodysuit from Brandy. It's super cute. I love like this tube top look, but then again, I also like to have straps because whenever I wear tube tops, it's hard to like constantly pull it up throughout the day. It's black, it's simple, it will last me for a while. And then finally, I also got more sweatpants. Again, it's just the Rosa sweatpants in the color white.
Not worry about this class at all. Once you hit that 4.0, you don't need to do any of the builders, just nothing. All you have to do is come to
Hi guys, it is currently Monday at 6:30ish p.m. Happy Memorial Day. I haven't been vlogging the past couple of days, but I have a final project in my Japanese class. I'm taking the 101 series at UW, and I really wanted to show you guys on what I plan on doing at least. So for the project, basically it's a either video, audio, or write-up of some kind of how-to video, introduce or describe anything that I'm interested in. And I decided to do a cooking video because you can work in groups, but I don't have anyone to work with because I don't have friends. I don't know, I just thought it would be fun. The only thing is I actually don't know how to cook, so that's gonna be that's gonna be kind of interesting to watch. I'm a little bit concerned because the video is only supposed to be 2 to 3 minutes and I'm making Japanese curry. So some of the things that we have to do is use a certain amount of vocabulary as well as grammar requirements. I already got my script checked off with my TA luckily, so that shouldn't be an issue. 皆さんこんにちは、アナトラムと言います。皆さんこんにちは、 アナトラムと言います。今日は日本料理チキンカリーを作ります。My eyes!
That's why you wear goggles.
I didn't think that would actually happen.
What? You thought that was like a myth?
Not a myth, but like I didn't think it's like as extreme as like those TV shows, you know?
Oh. Look at you go. What a chef.
I kind of burned
Burned what?
my hand.
Did you eat this?
Would I eat this?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
It's not gonna be the point where it's not edible.
Yeah, right? Honey, you remember that?
Huh?
My dad's fish tank?
Yeah.
It was very gorgeous. Yeah, sea anemones and...
Konnichiwa. So I woke up today and my nose is so clogged and I've been sneezing nonstop. I think it's my allergies. But besides that, I have this craving to eat grilled cheese and I haven't had grilled cheese in a really long time. So I'm gonna see if we have the materials to make it down there. And I guess it's gonna be like a mini cook with me video. I don't know. You guys, literally we have everything but cheese, and the only cheese we have is Laughing Cow one. I'm really craving it, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try to put the Laughing Cow cheese as substitute for the shredded ones. We'll see. Alright, so I already went ahead and put the butter on the pan. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I really need to explain how to make grilled cheese. If you're wondering, just put butter on the pan, wait for it to melt. Some people like to put the butter like on the slice of bread. I try to do that. Lucy! I try to do that, but I mean, it always ends up just slipping everywhere and the butter's not melted, so that kind of sucks.
You've burnt the butter. Look at the lobster. You've burnt the butter.
I saw the pot and I knew it was.
Mommy! I made the grilled cheese. It, as you saw, kind of popped a lot because I turned up the heat way too much. The cheese never really melted, so that kind of sucks. I also add some fruit next to it, and then I also found some sun chips, so I think I'm just gonna eat on that too.
Trademarked it, the trademark went through in September of last year, and we delayed this already a lot.